Otan-Ile, the third largest town in Obokun local government, Osun State, strategically situated at Obokun local government central hub, boasts of unique topography that makes the major roads in Otan-Ile a critical transit point for travelers from the northern parts of Nigeria, Ekiti State, Osogbo, Ikerun, Lagos State, and other southwest states in Nigeria. However, the bad condition of major roads in Otan-Ile, particularly the road connecting Otan-Ile to Ipetu-Ile and Adaowode without passing through the stress of going through the Ibokun, is crucial for Otan-Ile's economic growth and the region's development. As loyal supporters of His Excellency Senator Ademola Nurudeen, Adeleke, Imọlẹ, we urge His Excellency to prioritize the construction of this critical road as part of dividends of democracy for Otan-Ile people. While other neighboring towns in Obokun local government have benefited road construction under the good governance of Imọlẹ, we humbly request that Otan-Ile be given the opportunity to experience the positive impact of Governor Ademola Adeleke good administration towards making Osun the best of its kind. A well-constructed road will facilitate travel, boost Otan-Ile economic development, improve healthcare access, and enhance resident quality of life. We appreciate Imọlẹ Osun good administration commitment and respectfully request that his good road project be extended to Otan-Ile in Obokun local government, Osun State. Governor Ademola Adeleke, your honor, sir, allow the Imọlẹ to radiate in Otan-Ile as well. God bless His Excellency Governor Ademola Nurudeen, Adeleke, Imọlẹ Osun. God bless Otan-Ile. God bless Obokun local government. God bless Osun State. God bless Nigeria. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ rántí ìlú Otan-Ile. Gbogbo ọmọ bíbí Otan-Ile àti olùgbé ìlú Otan-Ile ló sọ wípé Imọlẹ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i.